Catherine Connolly will be inaugurated as the 10th President of Ireland on Tuesday, with a day of tradition, pomp and ceremony set to mark the occasion. Each president since Douglas Hyde has been officially sworn into office in St Patrick's Hall in Dublin Castle, where friends and family of the President-elect, as well as TDs, senators, members of the judiciary, members of government and members of the Council of State will be among those in attendance. The invited guests will begin to arrive around mid-morning, with the President-elect and her husband Brian McInerney expected to arrive around midday. The President-elect traditionally enters the courtyard through the Cork Hill Gate to be greeted by the Taoiseach before being led up the main staircase into the Battle Axe landing on the first floor. Rows of guests will be seated on each side of the historic St Patrick's Hall. Music, prayer and the Irish language are also prominent features of the ceremony, which is expected to get underway after midday. The Chief Justice will administer the oath before Miss Connolly receives her seal of office, with trumpeters sounding a fanfare to indicate that the President has entered office. There will also be a 21-gun artillery salute to mark the inauguration. According to Article 12 of the Constitution, the President-elect will declare in their oath to maintain the Constitution of Ireland and uphold its laws, fulfil their duties in accordance with the Constitution and the law, and dedicate their abilities to the service and welfare of the people of Ireland. Miss Connolly will then deliver her inauguration speech before the ceremony concludes to the national anthem. The speech, which will be the first address Miss Connolly will deliver as the 10th President of Ireland, will be an important indicator of what her presidency will look like. Afterwards, she will travel to Áras an Uachtaráin before a state reception takes place later that evening.